Smoking on that potent, there's no time for what's important. I just write it all down, hit the studio, record it. Cause I've just spent more time thinking, and where did that get me? High and all drinking, they told me let it sink in while I sink my feet in. Cause I be getting high every time I just breathe in. Looking at myself, asking what have I become? I'm supposed to be the shit, but something like the number one. And if I don't make it, man, I might as well invest in a gun. Cause nobody wants a fucker for a son. They said, well, stop being so cocky and so big-headed. Well, obviously, they don't know how big my dickhead is. I'm gone.